Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your username on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and also share this video to other people who may find it useful. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right. Then once you're on here, go to edit profile. And you should see name at the top. So you can click on that, and that's just your normal name. It's not your username, but you can obviously adjust that if you want to do so. And you can have that as whatever you want. And you can change that every 7 days. And if you want to change your username, just click on this little pencil symbol near the top. And it'll just let you know you can change your username once every 30 days. Changing your username will also change your profile link. So with this one, you can't change it to whatever you want. So if somebody else has got it, you'll have to think of something else. So once you've got the green tick, you can select save at the top. And that's how you can change your username on TikTok. Thanks for watching.